This is a complicated case. It's been moving through the courts for 6 years, but it's timely because even as Canada is accusing India of committing violent acts on Canadian soil, these two men, Parvkar Singh Dulai and Bhagat Singh Brar, claim Canada is relying on India to keep them on a no-fly list, which has upended their lives, labeling them as terrorists. So according to the court records, both men date their problems to 2018 when an Indian official allegedly gave Prime Minister Justin Trudeau a list containing the names of 9 people agitating for an independent Sikh homeland called Khalistan. So their names were on the list, as reportedly was Hardeep Singh Nijjar's. He's the activist shot outside a Surrey temple in 2023. Canada says there's no connection, but within months, Brar and Dulai found themselves unable to fly. The Secure Air Travel Act says people can be barred from flying if there are reasonable grounds to suspect they'll fly to commit a terrorist act. The evidence against the two men consists of media articles, travel histories, and some confidential information they haven't even been made aware of. For instance, Dulai worked as an investigator for the legal team that won an acquittal in the Air India trial. He was also quoted in a 2007 article talking about the mastermind of Air India as being a martyr, and he met and tweeted support for a UK man currently charged with murder in India. As for Brar, his father was one of the founders of the International Sikh Youth Federation, which Canada considers a terrorist organization, and confidential sources claim he traveled to India to train youths on weapons. Now, both men have refuted these allegations in detail, and Dulai told a judge elected Canadian officials told him he could fix his problems by meeting with India's national security advisor, which he refused to do. He claims, quotes, "Our system is being manipulated by Indian officials for anyone speaking out against India." For his part, Brar ties the campaign against him to his role in a decision to bar Indian consulate officials from Ontario Gurdwaras shortly before his name wound up on that no-fly list. So, like Dulai, he says he feels betrayed that, quotes, "Here's the country I have been living in for 35 years. I have not committed any crime whatsoever. I mean, the worst I've done is gotten a parking or a speeding ticket, and I'm labeled a terrorist." The lower court judges who ruled against Brar and Dulai say the threshold to get on the list is low and the stakes when it comes to terrorism are sky high. They rejected the notion of political interference, and the stakes are high for them as well. The men wouldn't speak with CBC, but in a statement they confirmed that they have both been warned by police that their safety may be in danger. The risk was considered sufficiently serious that the BC's Ministry of Children and Family Development invoked a safety plan that required Dulai to be separated from his child for the duration of the threat, according to them. Jason Proctor, CBC News, Vancouver.